Hello kids, today we are going to enjoy this chapter related to our childhood of English Unit 8. The name of the prose is My Silly Sister. Now, before going for this silly word, first tell me, do you remember what type of mischief have you played when you were not supposed to go to school? Ask all your parents about any one of your memorable naughty behavior that still you remember and laugh on it. Okay, now what is this silly? My silly sister. Silly means lack of judgment or common sense. Now we'll start with the chapter My Silly Sister. Mother, your baby is silly. She is so very childish. She does not know the difference between the lights in the streets and the bright stars. Here the brother is complaining about her sister to his mother that she is very silly and childish. Why? Because she is not aware of the difference between lights in the street light and bright star. In this you can see what are called the lights of streets and bright star. When we play with pebbles, she thinks that they are real food. She even tries to put them into her mouth. When I open a book before her and ask her to learn her ABC, she tears the pages with her hands and roars with joy at nothing. This is your baby's way of doing her lesson. Kids are meant to make silly mistakes and naughty behaviors, and so the girl in the prose. She thinks that pebbles as real food and tries to put them into her mouth. When her brother starts with ABC, what she does? She tears the pages and shouts with joy that nothing is bothering her. At some moment, when her brother gets angry, she starts laughing because she is unaware of all the things. When you make silly mistakes, your mother might also tell you that should I call your father? In the same way, the brother playfully in mischief calls father. So the girl seriously thinks that the father is near. Sometimes I hold a class with the donkeys that our washerman brings to carry away the dirty clothes. I warn her that I am the schoolmaster and that she better not make any noise. Only then she keeps quiet. I insist that she should call me Dada. Sometimes the brother tries to teach the girl that washerman brings donkey to carry away dirty clothes. And because of her silliness, her brother wants her to sit quietly while study is going on and insists that girl should call him what? Dada, yes. Your baby wants to catch the moon. She is really funny. Mother, your baby is silly. She is so very childish. We all know that we cannot catch or touch moon. The girl with funny behavior is still thinking that I can catch the moon. So this was all about childish behavior of the girl in this prose. Now we will see some new words. Childish means like or appropriate to a child. Sometimes you also start behaving like a kid. Childish behavior. Pebbles. Pebbles means small stones. Sometimes baby thinks pebble as the real food and keeps them into the mouth. Donkey. You all know donkey. A domesticated animal used to carry load. Dirty means covered with an unclean substances. See how here the boy is enjoying playing in mud and not aware that my clothes are getting dirty. Anger means a strong feeling of displeasure. We get angry when our friends don't share things with us. Excitement, a feeling of great enthusiasm. See how the Anna is getting excited. Playful. Playful means fond of games. Playing mischief games are meant for kids. You all might be enjoying different games at home as we are not supposed to go to gardens and playgrounds. Naughty means badly behaved or disobedient child. In class, we should always behave obediently. The last word is washman. Washman means a man whose occupation is washing clothes. So kids, this was all about our English prose, My Silly Sister. Thank you. Take care.